We're in July now. A lot of people have wasted a lot of time in 2026. And this is just a recipe for disaster. A lot of you who have wasted 2026 and have not taken any action whatsoever towards your goals, you're about to live in total regret. Let me tell you something about time. And I keep saying this on this channel. Time is the most precious resource that you have. It's not money. Money is good to have. Money is a resource that makes things more convenient. But what's more important than money is time. If you can control your time 100%, it means that you can do so much to advance your life. 6 months, 1 year, so 6 months or 12 months pretty much, can make so much of a difference in your life if you make every single day about you. If you prioritize every single day to work on your goals, to work on yourself, you'll be surprised at how much you can accomplish in such a short period of time. There's a saying that we often underestimate what we can do in 6 months, and we overestimate what we can do in just, let's say, 6 months. It goes both ways. There's so many people that are out here disrespecting time, and one day they're gonna grow old and realize that they've missed a lot of opportunities, or they've prioritized a lot of things that don't make any sense. This is how people end up very miserable and bitter. There's some opportunities that some of you have accepted over the years. Maybe it was that job that you accepted that you knew was gonna drain your energy, was gonna drain your time, but yet you still accepted it anyway, all for the love of the money, because you were chasing money. It's called paper chasing. The person that you're working for was willing to pay you that amount of money so they can buy their time back. While you're slaving away, you're doing all the labor, they were chilling, relaxing, focusing on them. That's why they're so far ahead of you right now. But you didn't see this coming. You didn't realize it. All you're doing is you were focusing only on the money instead of focusing on the most precious asset and resource that you have, which is time and energy. And this used to happen to me too, where there'll be a job and I needed the money. I thought I needed the money, but in hindsight, I really didn't. I could have lived a simpler life and accepted an opportunity that paid me less, but allowed for me to have all this extra time to do whatever I wanted, like creating content, for example, or starting that business that I've always wanted to start. There are a lot of you that have so many cool ideas, so many business ideas that you've always wanted to start, but you don't get to do that because you don't control your time. I hope you guys understand that if you don't take any action, you're gonna end up a slave, a wage slave. And if you don't accept this, you're just gonna wake up to a reality that you don't choose. Somebody else is gonna choose your reality and not you. You need to be in a position where you're choosing your own reality. And it starts by you accepting the truth. The truth is, you've wasted 7 months already and nothing has happened. But if you're ready to be around people that are taking action, these are not action fakers, these are action takers. If you're ready to be around people that are actually putting in the work, schedule a call. Because when you're around people that are actually putting in the work, it comes with a lot of pressure. And pressure is good. Pressure to hold you accountable to do the work. Pressure to hold you accountable to go after your goals and after your dreams and make it happen. I'll put a link in the description of this video. Schedule a call. Talk to you soon. If you run an HVAC, roofing, or plumbing business in the US, listen to this. Right now, you're probably stuck in the day-to-day calls, scheduling, follow-ups, admin chaos, and it's keeping you tied to your business. But what if your business could run without you? I help home service business owners automate their workflows using AI. From lead intake and booking to customer follow-ups to job management. So instead of working in your business 24/7, you can finally step back and live life on your terms. I'm talking about running your business remotely from a peaceful, lower cost of living country with more freedom and way less stress. And here's the shift you need to make in this new economy. Stop chasing low-ticket, price-sensitive customers and start positioning your services for high-net-worth clients, people who value speed, quality, and reliability and will gladly pay for it. Less volume, higher margins, better clients is what you deserve. If you want to turn your business into something that gives you time, location, and financial freedom, then let's talk. Schedule a call, invest in yourself. I'll also add you to my private membership group of other home service business kings that are already winning with this strategy.